Hello all, welcome to the channel. We are on the military history and watching the biography of Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw. So let's begin. Sam Manekshaw was the first Indian Army officer to be promoted to the highest military rank of Field Marshal and 8th Chief of the Army Staff in independent India. Born to a Parsi family on April 3, 1914 at Amritsar of British India, Manekshaw wanted to be a doctor much like his military doctor father, but destiny has something else in store for him. He became the part of the first intake of 40 cadets of Indian Army in 1932 by clearing Indian Military Academy entrance examination. His military training began on 1st October 1932 and he graduated as a second lieutenant on 1st February 1935. He was commissioned in the 2nd Battalion of the Royal Scots in Lahore. It was customary at that time for Indian soldiers to be commissioned into a British unit before being sent to an Indian unit. On 1st May 1938, he was appointed as the quartermaster of his battalion, and in October 1938 he qualified as the higher standard army interpreter in the Pashto language. During World War II, he served as a captain and clinched the victory against the Japanese. Sam Manekshaw was decorated with a military cross for his exemplary courage during this period, which is a rare distinction. After the partition of India in 1947, Sam Manekshaw was reassigned to the 8th Gorkha Regiment. He displayed his administrative skills as General Staff Officer, and at the end of 1947, he was transferred to the 5th Gorkha Regiment. During the coming years, he handled many disputes and insurgencies around India. On February 4, 1952, he was appointed as a colonel, and in April he was appointed as the commander of the 167th Infantry Brigade. During the Sino-Indian War, Sam was appointed as the acting Lieutenant General. After that, Sam was appointed as the Army Commander. He travelled throughout India on many postings and effectively responded to many insurgencies. After preventing the insurgency of Nagaland, he was honoured with the Padma Bhushan in 1968. On 8 June 1969, Sam Manekshaw was appointed as the 8th Chief of Army Staff. He effectively converted the Indian Army into an efficient instrument of war. In April 1971, during the East and West Pakistan conflict, India decided to help East Pakistan get total autonomy. Indira Gandhi was once called Sam to ask whether the Indian army is ready to attack, but Sam declined, stating, "The army would lose if it is sent right now, and they need a few months." Indira agreed to this, and in December 1971, the Indian army attacked and won the war in just 13 days. The war ended after the Eastern Command of the Pakistan military signed the Instrument of Surrender on 16 December 1971 in Dhaka, marking the formation of East Pakistan as the new nation of Bangladesh. On 1st January 1973, Sam Manekshaw was promoted to become the first person in independent India to be promoted to the rank of Field Marshal. He was formally commissioned as the Field Marshal on 3rd January 1973 at Rashtrapati Bhavan. After his retirement, Manekshaw served on the board of many companies as an independent director and also as the chairman in some cases. these are some facts about the biography of Sam Manekshaw. Manekshaw's career spanned 5 wars. World War II, in which he was awarded the Military Cross, the India-Pakistan War of Partition in 1947, the Sino-Indian War in 1962, and the 1965 and 1971 India-Pakistan Wars, which earned him the nickname of Sam Bahadur. So he has a nickname of Sam Bahadur. Sam was the first Indian Army officer to be commissioned to the rank of Field Marshal. We all know this, but he is also the only officer who was promoted to the rank of Field Marshal while being on active duty. The only other Field Marshal of India was K.M. Kariappa, but he was promoted to the rank of Field Marshal 33 years after he had retired. Sam Manekshaw led India's war efforts from the front as the Chief of the Army Staff and was instrumental in planning, execution and conclusion of the war successfully. Apart from the Field Marshal honor, he was also honored with many civilian honors and military decorations, including Military Cross in 1942, Burma Gallantry Award in 1944, 9 years long service medal in 1944, 1939 to 1945 star, Burma Star in 1945, War Medal in 1945, India Service Medal in 1945. Continuing this, the General Service Medal 1947, 20 years long service medal in 1955, Padma Bhushan in 1968, Purvi Star in 1971, Paschimi Star in 1971, Padma Vibhushan in 1972 and the Sangram Medal in 1972. So here we have the leadership traits of the Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw. The life of the first Field Marshal to command the Indian Army was a true inspiration to all the men and women who will join the forces as officers. The stern but human leadership qualities that Manekshaw showed during his service can be considered the beacon for the uncountable generations of officers and soldiers to come. Thank you.